Oh, I almost dropped my camera. What's up, everybody? Tiffany Outdoors here. It's kind of a nice day out today. It's a little bit chilly, but there's a couple of things I want to do or get done. And get this open. What the heck? Couple things I want to get done today. First thing is I need to go get my arrow repaired. The one that I found at the range. I knew it was lost, but when I redid the range, I found it and the one that my friend John left or lost. Let me show you the veins on there. Look at that. They're all scrunched up. We'll get these veins replaced, and I need to get some field tips for the arrows that I bought that were on clearance from Walmart. The ones I got for like $2, $2.50. Some of them were $1.50. But so I'm going to get some field points for those. First, here's a little bit of Bailey. That good, girl? Huh? That girl loves to eat. Alright, so got a little bit of a drive ahead of us. I want to try and hurry up and, well, not hurry up. I do want to try and get back before it gets dark because those uprights that I made for the target stands, I still need to complete those. I still need to put the hooks in. So I got to drill holes, put hooks in those. And also, I got to put grommets in the bag. So I got to do that too. Alright, so let's go. Well, it doesn't look like I'll be getting back before dark after all. I totally forgot about this huge detour. So it's okay because going this way will take me by Walmart. So I'm gonna pop in there on the way back and see what kind of deals I can find. So the Target stands, I can finish those up tomorrow. That's not a big deal. So onward we go. Y'all, it's getting dark out here. I don't know. I hope you can still see me. I haven't changed the settings on my camera, but let me show you the fletchings I got. Isn't that cool? Look at that shape. Look at that design. That's freaking cool. Awesome. Okay, so I got that, and then I got some field points for my Walmart specials. So now I'm going to go to Walmart, see what I can find there. Might be able to find some really good deals. So I'm going to head there, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. Alright, y'all. It looks so weird out here. I don't know if it's too dark. Y'all might not be able to see me. It looks strange. But I have finished. I finished putting in the hardware on the target stands, the PVC target stands. So I've got 3 there. I've got one standing there, and then I got a wooden one further down. So I have a total of 5 target stands, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. We got 8 targets. So my friend Nicolette got 4 more she ordered. So I'm gonna have to make some more target stands for those. All right, y'all. Let me show y'all this creepy sky, okay? It's coming across really light, but it is pretty. It's pretty dark out here. So we got that. All this bad looking stuff on this side, and I'm gonna slowly go. Look at that. Nothing over there. That side is nice, pretty blue, a few pretty clouds in the sky, and that's where it starts going to total darkness. Makes it look really weird out here. So I'm excited. So this Sunday we plan on doing some horseback archery with the target stands that I've put up, and I've already put the hardware on the bags. Now, if you guys have not seen how I make my PVC archery target stands, I'll put a link in the description below so you can watch that video. There is another project that I want to make. I want to make a paper tuning stand. Now, I'm pretty sure I can use the target stands for that, but I just want to have a stand that I can put down at my range, and I can break it down and put it together as I need it. Looking at the sky looks so weird. But yeah, I want to make a paper tuning target stand, so stay tuned for that project. I have to do a little bit of research and see what'll work and what won't work for me. Let's take a look at Bailey. Hey, sweet girl. Hey, big girl. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I don't have anything to eat. Hey, sweetie. Her face is all dry and crunchy from her food. She's already had her dinner. Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweet girl. Yeah. It's so dark out. It's so dark. That feel good? That feel good? What are you doing? Gotta smell me. What's mommy smell like? It's taking a big long whiff of me. Yeah, that's a sweet girl. You be ready. You're gonna be ridden Sunday. Yeah. Yeah. Sunday. Be there. No, no, no. 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 You're so funny. You're so funny. She breathed on the lens and fogged up the lens. Here we go. Hey, baby. Such a sweet girl. Okay. Ooh, the sky's all orange. I'm gonna walk over there to show you guys. You probably can't even see my face right now. Wow, just look at those clouds. I mean, it's just like dark cover. Dark, dark, dark. Let me see what time it is. It's 6:15. Which the days are getting longer, but whoo, this dark sky. Alright, y'all, I'm going inside. It feels so good out here. You know what? Another thing I want to do is I gotta find some trees. I I gotta find some trees in my yard where I can hang up my hammock. I have not yet done that, and I don't know how to. So I'm gonna have to practice on hanging my hammock. If I had my hammock hung, I'd be in it right this minute. All right, I'm gonna go in, prep up some buckets for Bailey, and have some dessert. What you want? Why you look so cute? Huh? What wanting? What do you want? Y'all know what she's waiting on? She's waiting on me to drop some food so she can eat it. She loves horse food. I don't understand this dog. I give her 1 or 2 little kibbles every once in a while. Look at her. She looks so adorable. How do you say no to that face? How do you say no? It's impossible. That's what she's after right there. Is that good? Is it good? If I fed her a whole bowl of that, I think she would eat it. And then scratch like the devil for days on end, so she gets just a little bit. What a beautiful morning, y'all. Absolutely gorgeous out here. A tiny bit of crisp in the air. A light jacket. I'll be taking this off soon. My dog River. Let me tell you about this dog. I could put her outside. She won't leave the porch. She just loves just sitting on the porch. She won't go to the bathroom and do her business. So, let me show you what I have to go through to get her to do her business. Did you go pee-pee? Huh? Huh? Did you go pee-pee? I don't think you left the porch. Go pee-pee. Go pee-pee. Go. I have to tell her to go to the bathroom. Most dogs would just go, look, she still hasn't got off the porch. No, she's just sniffing a little leaf. From the stairs, mind you. And, no, you didn't trick me. She won't be still, y'all. You didn't trick me. I know you didn't go to the bathroom. You're faking. You're faking. No. 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 No, no, no. You didn't go to the bathroom. You didn't go potty. I know you didn't go potty. Oh my gosh, she's so cute, y'all. Alright, I guess I'm just going to take her for a walk. It's real nice out here, so I'll take her for a little walk. Okay, so the rule is I got the gate open. She's not allowed to go out the gate without me. She's staring. She's like, oh man, let's just go already. And I have to go through the gate first. Them's be the rules. Just keeps her from bolting out because I do live in the country. There's coyotes, there's foxes, there's opossums, raccoons, you name it out here, so I don't want her bolting out the gate without me making sure it's safer. So, all right, let's go. It's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. If I know my dog, she's going to want to sniff every little twig, branch, leaf, pine cone, everything on the ground. Nice. Alright, y'all. I'm going to end this vlog right here. I got some shopping to do. And I will see you guys in the next video. And thank you for watching.